Number 35 says, draw a Venn diagram with each of the given elements placed in the correct region. So we have the universal set, and then we have sets A, B, and C. So I want to start at the very center, and then I want to look at the three regions here, which sometimes I call them the footballs because they kind of look like footballs. And then I want to look at the individual circles A, B, and C. And then the outside. So are there any names that are in A, B, and C? And I can't find any. So we're not going to have any names in the very center. Are there any names that are in both A and B? And yes, that would be Sue. Next, I'm looking for the intersection of A and C, which would be Herb. Next, I'm looking for the intersection of B and C, which would be Eric. So I'm done with the center and I'm done with the footballs. So I can just look at the individual circles now. So A has Sue and Herb, but we already put Sue and Herb. So there's going to be no names in this region. B has Sue, Eric, Joe, and Ann, but we've already listed Sue and Eric. So we just need to list Joe and Ann. C has Eric, Sal, Al, and Herb, but we've already listed Herb and Eric. So we just need to list Sal and Al. So finally, let's look at the universal set and which names have we not listed yet. And that would be Mike and Bob.